Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Hello, hello. Welcome everyone. Today is going to be really neat. I am going to teach you how to make ricotta cheese, fresh ricotta cheese from scratch with ingredients that's highly possible you have it in your fridge anyway, and it makes it very inexpensive compared to what you can buy in the grocery store. So this is a nice budget meal. We're gonna really focus on the ricotta cheese today, but we're gonna put this ricotta cheese, we're gonna do a vegetarian meal. So we're gonna have lots of veggies and we're gonna have a pasta. So we're gonna do pappardelle pasta with zucchini, tomatoes, some fresh mint, and of course our fresh ricotta cheese on top. So this is a really, really good meal. You can make this fresh ricotta cheese and put it in a lasagna. You could put it in anything. So this is a lot of fun. If you have never made this before, it kind of blows your mind how it comes together because it's way easy. How are we not doing this every day? It's so easy. Anyone can do this, I promise. So let's get rolling. We'll get our ricotta cheese done first, and then we'll whip together this cute little vegetarian pasta with it. Stick with me. Let's get rocking. Okay, here we go. Our simple ingredients. We're gonna put 3 cups of whole milk in a heavy saucepan. Woo! Super easy. And then this is a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. We're gonna put this on the stove, medium-high heat, till we bring it to a boil, just stirring occasionally. You can see how the texture is starting to change. It's starting to curdle, which is exactly what we want. We're gonna strain it. We're gonna collect all the milk solids. Okay, we're gonna get all the liquid out. Now save the ricotta cheese that we just made. We're gonna sprinkle a tiny bit of salt. Kind of fluff it together. And you have just made fresh ricotta cheese. Season it with salt just for taste, so let's try it. It's so good, you'll never go back to regular ricotta cheese. Let's quickly get our pasta together. Okay, let's assemble our pasta dish. Here are our noodles. Our veggies. Fresh ricotta cheese. And some fresh mint. A little salt. And we just made a pasta dish, an incredible pasta dish, on a budget. Fresh ricotta cheese from scratch. Now, go show that off to your friends because that's a pretty neat trick. So let's give this a try. Oh, and that fresh ricotta cheese. I'm telling you, you won't buy the packaged kind ever again. And we'll call that a quick bite, because that was a quick one hot bite from One Hot Bite. So thanks for being here. By the way, keep on the lookout. I have a Mother's Day surprise coming up for you. Probably gonna be hitting early next week. So you're gonna wanna be ready for that because these are incredible. But anyhow, thank you so much for joining me today for this One Hot Bite. And again, under 400 calories, vegetarian, delicious, and cheap. We all can use that sometimes. So anyhow, thank you guys for joining me. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me some likes. Love the comments again. And you guys have a great night. I'll see you next Thursday.